Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to unbox a very quick unboxing. This is the Alibaba Spring USB cable. This is a USB 3.0 1000mm quick charging data. Below you can see a path designed to avoid winding, top plus core, high-speed transmission, high quality TPE, double outer layer, bi-directional, perfect compatibility. It's a very matibay box. Matibay is a Tagalog word, so you just have to search it. So this is a very quick unboxing. This is the here we go. So that's it. It's finished. You can buy this on Lazada by clicking on the link below. This is a very good charging. I use this charger, and then it is a fast charger, and you can transfer files very easily and very quickly. So it doesn't bend. This is made of metal. You can twist it a lot and it won't break. So there you have it. This is the Alibaba USB 3.0 Spring USB cable, available now on Lazada and on eBay. So thank you.